It's leg day. I'm so excited, boys. I can't wait. I actually can't wait. Okay, so today we're going to do something different. You guys have been asking me, what do I eat in a day, and can I make a video on it? So I'm just going to show you everything that I eat today on my cutting diet. Hopefully that's helpful to you boys. So we're going to hit legs, obviously. But at least I get to show you boys the brand new gym that I just joined. It is sick. It is so cool. Okay boys, I present to you meal number 1. Protein shake, scrambled egg, banana. Wow. Right, I'm going to absolutely destroy this. And then we're going to go gym. Normally I have like 2 meals before the gym, but we're going early today. Also, I forgot to mention, boys, I have like 4 liters of water a day, and then also at least 1,000 milligrams of potassium. We're potassium maxing, boys. Come on. Yeah. Okay. Well, I've finished my meal now, so I'm gonna get ready, and then we're gonna hit the gym. Let's fucking go, boys. Beautiful weather. Lovely. Okay, boys. Normally I have my pre-workout meal before my workout, but today it's a little bit different because we are going a little bit early, so I'm gonna have it after. I'm still gonna show you what I eat before my workout. Oh, see the Batmobile. The Batmobile. Right, boys, let's get the pre-workout in. What are we running? Madness pre-workout. They sell it in the gym that I go to, and you know what? Although it tastes like absolute shit, it's actually pretty good. It's like 360 grams per scoop. So, but you know what, boys? I've calmed down nowadays. I used to, you know, triple scoop it. I'm just gonna take a scoop. You know, I'm just gonna take a scoop. That's all I need. That's all I need, boys. We'll take a heaped scoop. Oh shit.
No, he's gonna hit your heart.
No, he's not.
Yeah, he is.
How has he got past that motherfucker? That's a little bit close. Okay, I better hurry up and take my pre-workout.
If a lorry comes, we're trapped.
I mean, I don't think a lorry's gonna come through
I've seen
the village. Okay, yeah. When I say it tastes like shit, it really does taste like shit. Like it tastes like. Oh, how could I explain this? It's first of all, it's fizzy. Okay, it's fizzy. It goes fizzy in your mouth, and then it's spicy as well. So you're left with just like a spicy mouth, which is not so pleasant when you're taking pre-workout. Okay. Anyway, who cares? This is this is pumping this. Oh, I'm gonna shut up and fucking take this. Get that fucking taste out my mouth now. Boys, I'm not overreacting. I'm really not overreacting. This is horrible. Why is my pre-workout spicy? That's what I'm wondering. What are they putting in this? Well, to be fair, I mean, whatever it is, it does the job. But yeah, the spiciness is not it. Fuck. Let's go. This song's a banger, boys. Look at the gym. Just look at the gym. How beautiful. How beautiful. Okay? There's a lot of leg machines here that I've never tried in my life. So, you know what? We're just gonna mess around. We're gonna try some leg machines. To be honest, they all look like medieval torturing machines, but hopefully I can work out how to use them. All right, boys, let's start with leg press. Who doesn't like a cheeky little leg press? Is this a hack squat? All right, let's try it out then. Oh, that's nice. Oh, this is actually pretty nice, boys. Ooh, I've never used one of these before. Oh, let's start on this. Let's start on this. That's lovely. One thing I love about this gym is that all the machines are so smooth. It's unreal. Wow. Ooh. Oh, I've got a pump already. Might as well, might as well go home.
I've been painting every fence I know. Every color bleeds into the same. 'Cause before you go and walk away.
Okay, boys. Well, my hamstrings are already cooked, I can't lie. But, okay, moving on. We're gonna do leg press. I'm so excited. Oh, I love leg day. Yo, I might hit a superset in a second of some biceps.
Yeah, you better know where you're going. Hey, yeah. You're a wanderer just like me. Hey, yeah. Yeah, you better know where you're going.
Why is leg day a thing? Who invented this? Just walking it off, guys. Just walking it off.
Yeah, you better know where you're going. Way that you are. When I'm all alone, I can call on you. Guess I'm haunted too. You illuminate as a star. Shine a little light on my solitude. Guess you're haunted too. Come as the dark, take my hand. Cover for my enemies, I ride or die till the end. No negative energy in my head against the wall.
The forbidden staircase after the leg day. Another leg exercise, yay! Okay, now we're moving on to leg extensions. That was pretty easy, to be fair. Oh boys, I really should have had more carbs before my session. Before my leg session, bro. Oh. See, if I had my pre-workout meal, I'd be chilling, but I didn't because I decided to go early. So now I'm cooked. I feel a little bit sick, boys, but we're gonna push through. Bro, who invented legs? Alright boys, well I'm really feeling the sauna, but I don't have my shorts, so you know what? We're just gonna go in with joggers.
Back home to you.
Oh my, I'm done. Bro, look at the state of me, Jesus. Wow, how long was that? 5 minutes. Ooh, I'm not built for it. I'm not built for it. I want to start doing saunas more, but like, I'm just not built for it, bro. 5 minutes. Look at the state of me. Right, my camera apparently wasn't recording. I just, I got to repeat everything I just said. Right, I picked up one of these ABE energy drinks, grape soda. It's actually really good, and there's 200 milligrams of caffeine, which is actually pretty good for a little can like that, plus like 0 calories, 0 sugar, blah 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 blah. So bro, these might have to be my go-to energy drinks. Anyway, gym session complete. I'm gonna go home now, and then basically what I'm gonna do is every time I have a meal, I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm eating, and then that'll be it. So yeah, see you guys at my next meal. Right, we're home. Time to eat, boys, time to eat. I changed my mind. I'm gonna have my pre-workout meal that I normally have next. So now I'm gonna eat the staple of bodybuilding, chicken breast, rice, and vegetables. Wow. Ooh. So yeah, I'm gonna fucking destroy this, and then I'll check in with you boys at my next meal. And this is my pre-workout meal normally. Well, I've got 2 bananas in there, 40 grams of oats, and 200 grams of 0-fat Greek yogurt, and the protein shake, of course. And last meal of the day is 2 cans of tuna. Wow, delicious. So I'm gonna scram that and go to sleep. Anyway boys, if you like the video, drop a like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see, boys. See you in a bit.